Module 168, and this module is related with the transnational cooperation in the world of sovereign state, and here we try to understand the access to market which is actually available to these transnational corporations and how they enjoy the benefit of having that access to the market across the world actually. So actually the foreign investment induced by the locational attraction, and that has happened in 1960s. Mostly United States transnational corporations, they move towards high income countries. So the high income countries identified those particular locations which were considered suitable by the transnational corporations to start their investment or move the foreign direct investment in that particular countries. High income countries including the Canada, it includes the UK, United Kingdom, West Germany, and so on. So these countries were the potential areas where more and more investment is made by transnational corporations. Later, European and Japanese transnational corporations came into the scene as well. So growing, the number of transnational corporations were growing slowly over the time, and definitely the leading position was held by United States transnational corporations. However, the corporate motive which was actually pushing this transnational corporation or inducing these transnational corporations to move in different locations of the world for increasing the scope of their investment, it includes the generating new sales. On the one side, they want to expand the level of sale. Whatever they produce, they want to sell it off across the world, because again, last time I have mentioned that whatever production they have made successfully due to the better technology available to them, the surplus they have produced, incapable to sell in the domestic market because domestic market was not sufficient to consume the whole output or whole amount of goods and services produced by them. So they want to sell across the country, so they want to increase their sale. Secondly, they want to protect export from tariff impact. Since they are going to do different kind of export and import processing, and they need to make it sure that whatever goods and services they want to sell to the rest of the world or whatever they want to buy, they want to save themselves from any kind of protective barriers or protective walls or protective tariffs. So it is just like that. If one transnational corporation move from one country to other country, and in other country they are producing by using the cheap imports, the particular product, that product can be imported to the home country or the core country, and that can be considered as the internal trade of the company, and that can easily avoid any kind of tariff protections. Secondly, after 1945, gradual awareness of the government about the effect on multinational corporation, it is the effect of multinational corporation, make it correct, of on economic development. So economic development is going to happen, and how it is going to get influence due to the transnational corporation and multinational corporations, whether they are going to move in the same direction of this development process, just like it is desirable by the host country, or they are going to drive it to some other way. So that was actually start realizing by different states. 1960s, what was observed, that UK have 1.4% of manufacturing which is made by the United States transnational corporation, which contribute only 10.4% of the total output. So 1.4% manufacturing output, manufacturing controlled by United States transnational corporation in the UK, and they are going to generate 10.4% of the total output. A bit more output they are going to control as compared to whatever they are producing. And in Canada, 46% capital stocks belongs to them, with only 23% employment has been generated or contributed. So that kind of differences have been observed over the time and their impact. So UK, United States Kingdom and the France, they are getting more influence. the transnational corporations with reference to their full proportion of value added, because actually these countries were more considered or considerate about that the transnational corporations which are coming into their countries, belonging to definitely United States, they should use the fair proportion of value added across the country. Mean to say, they should not create imbalance in the economic affairs or distributional problems in the country. So we can understand this through this diagram or this table. This table is actually just to give you the idea about what type of firms were moved in what type of country and belonging to which country. If you observe, mostly firms belong to energy sector. If you observe, these are the energy firms which have appeared in different kind of countries, and these are the energy firms. So many firms belongs to energy: Netherlands, US, Britain, China, again China, and then France, and then United States energy. And then if we observe the further, it is related to the financial services, insurance and banking, then insurance, then financial services, then again financial services, then again financial services, insurance and financial services. So mainly energy and then the financial services, including banking and insurance. So these were the prime services which were provided by different kind of transnational corporation across the world, belonging to different countries and working in other countries of the world. So basically energy at the top, and the banking and insurance second, and third number belongs to an extent manufacturing or manufacturing related kind of activities, and so on. So you can observe the complete detail about this table. If you want to have more knowledge, the resource is mentioned here. So you just click here and then visit the website and observe the detail related to that table, and you may have more understanding about it.